We'll guide you through how to make avatar background Ibis Paint X. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Begin by launching your app by double-clicking the icon on your device so the program opens fully. Once it is running, open My Gallery to access your workspace. From there, choose the plus icon on the top bar to start a new project. When prompted, select your canvas size and make sure it matches your avatar needs so the proportions are correct. Next, add your avatar's image by going to the Layer option and clicking Import Picture. Then pick your avatar image from your files. After importing, adjust the size of your image as needed and click the check mark to apply the changes. Now add another blank layer above your image layer to prepare for drawing. Change your brush texture into a felt tip pen, adjust the thickness, and set the color to your preferred frame color. Go to the drawing option and pick the circle shape, making sure the line is enabled and the fill color is disabled. Draw a circle by holding your left click and dragging your pointer across the canvas, then release to apply it. Choose the Move Layer option and resize the circle until it fits your image or canvas. Go back to the Layer option and switch to your image layer. Then disable its visibility by clicking the eye icon. Select the magic wand from the toolbar and left-click on all the area outside the circle. After that, enable your image layer visibility again and change the magic wand into an eraser. Erase all unnecessary objects outside your circle frame. Then switch your eraser back to the magic wand and choose Remove Selection. Change your current layer to the blank layer under your image layer and disable your image visibility again. Convert the magic wand into the bucket tool. Pick your background color and fill the circle by left-clicking inside it. Enable your image layer visibility again and, if desired, style your background using brush strokes for gradation, texture, or shadow effects. You may also change your layer into a transparent layer using the Layer Style option. Make sure to review your work before exporting to ensure everything looks clean and aligned. Finally, go to the Export option, choose Save Image, adjust your image format, and click OK to save it.